Alrighty guys, thought I'd make a little video and try to help some of y'all with this NEMA 2000 stuff. I don't know if anybody else is wanting to do it, but basically your NEMA stuff is just this, and it connects let your Garmin talk to your engine, and so you can get some gauges on it. Now this way of doing it, I don't know if there's a different way to get more gauges and whatnot, but this is the way I did it. You know, you just got battery voltage, water temp, oil pressure, and let's see, RPM, and then trim works. I do not have the gas gauge hooked up, but all you need is this little piece here off of Amazon. Okay, now technically I'm pretty sure you're supposed to have your power coming in the middle of these two, but this one here runs through the Garmin, this one runs through the outboard. Excuse the messy wiring, but that's fused 3 amp with the same power wire as the Garmin, and there's your 3 amp fuse, and I just got it ran through there. You run the cable back to the engine, and then you're gonna have a white connector underneath somewhere over here, right there, the whitest connector in the whole outboard, and you're gonna plug that cable into it, and then you'll have RPM and whatever else I just said. Your trim level is, you got to take this one wire here, it's gonna have yellow tape, at least on this 2025 115 it did, and just plug them into each other. They're single wire connectors, and then now, you know, as soon as I hit the key, I get everything, and then that's saying I got a malfunction now because I just set it up, but you know, there we go. Let's just turn them off for now, and then now I'm hit the trim button. And obviously trim's working. I ain't gonna start it right now because I ain't in the water, but yep, that's everything for that, and it gives you at least some kind of gauges. That's better than nothing. So also, I don't know if all models have the NEMA 2000 port in the back of them, but for the way I did it, it needs that port. I think there's another way to do it called like a J something cable, but that's the way I did it. And this is SV73. I know the SV93s are the same, and pretty much from what I can tell, any of the Garmins that are over like 500 bucks have that port, but just make sure you got that port if you want to try to do that. Another thing too I'd like to add with this NEMA stuff, just make sure you have your terminators on the end, because it will not work if you do not have your terminators. And like I said, your power input really needs to be in between these, but I guess since it's just a, you know, 2-system circuit, it really doesn't matter that much. But you know, the way it should be wired up would be, you know, power in the middle, and then you'd have, you know, equal power output.